If you want to get a pair of decent wireless earbuds, it's not that easy. You either end up spending $100 well over your budget, or you end up with the crappy sound, uncomfortable earbud. But today I'm going to introduce this earbud, Bluetooth A90 Pro Wireless Earbud. It's very affordable, even with a tight budget, but it doesn't compromise the sound quality. I bought this earbud about 2 months ago during the Christmas time. It cost me only about $20. The price seemed too good to be true. But after wearing about 2 months, working around home or walking in the trail, I can definitely say this is a decent earbud without cost you a fortune. I urge people to try this earbud before spending $100 on a pricey brand earbud. I still keep the box. Let's take a look what's inside in the box, and then I will introduce what the features they have compared with the pricey one. I open the box. You can see that the layout looks good. And this is the case. You can see here, the case have the numbers. They're showing the case, the battery charging level. And this is 2 bar shows right now is charging the earbud. So when I open it, they have this LED indicator to show they are seeking for the signal for pairing. After pairing, this indicator LED will be off. And they have the mark for the right, and they also have the charging knob here, and they have the microphone here, and here, this part they call the Smart Touch button. Let's take a look. Accessories box here. So this is the USB, the C type charging cables, and here, this bag, let me see. This bag including 2 pair of different size, the tips, the ear tips, for your change. And here there is the manual. The manual, the print is very clear. I read it, so you can read this to follow this instruction to set up. Pairing earbud to the smartphone is very straightforward. You go to the settings and go to the Bluetooth. And right now, you open this, take off the earbud, take a look at the button here. In the other devices, you will see A90 Pro. Tap it. After a few seconds, you will see here, in my devices, A90 Pro connected. After you initially connect it to your smartphone, each time you put it back, they will disconnect. But after you open the case, it will reconnect it in a few seconds. That's really simple. This earbud is super light, and one is only 4 grams. I can show you here. So if I use this to start, let me see here. So I put it on 2 earbuds, 8 grams. So each is 4 grams. And if I put into my ear here, it's a super stay and secure. I use this when I do the regular workout, walking in the trail. If I stay in place, it won't fall out. I use it to listen to the music, the broadcast, and the YouTube. And I also use this to pick up the phone. If you see your phone, you just press this once. You pick up the phone, you can talk. After you finish the phone call, you press this Smart Touch button, hold for 2 seconds. They will hang up. And when you listen to the music, you press the left, the earbud, this button, you tap it, they will volume drop once. If you want to increase volume, tap this on the right-hand side earbud. Tap once, the volume go up once. A90 Pro also has excellent noise reduction. When I put it into my ear, I couldn't hear anything but the music, the feature which usually sell for $100. Next, for the batteries. The earbud batteries, after you charge, it lasts 6 to 7 hours. For the case batteries, after you fully charge, in an hour and a half, they can last 36 hours. The next thing, when you work out, you might be sweating, but this earbud, they have the waterproof, like water splash resistance. So you can wear it when you work out. It's no problem. After I introduce all this, the good features with this affordable price, the earbud, A90 Pro, but I have to mention, this earbud doesn't have like the transparency mode, the features. What that's called? Because this is a call for like the talk through or hear through the features. The Apple used this transparency mode. What does it mean? When you plug into an ear, for example, you sit in airport, you enjoy the music, but you don't want to miss out the announcement. So they have kind of the options you can choose, like the transparency mode. You can choose how much you want your surrounding voice coming in. So that's the good feature. By this, you don't have. So I strongly recommend, if you wear this, walk in the busy street, very alert or cautious, because this reduce all the noise surrounding you. It's not safe, but it's perfectly okay if you wear this in your house or walk in the trail. Doesn't have a busy traffic. So for safety reasons, don't wear this earbud walking in the very busy street. Except for this disadvantage, this is a great value earbud. You get most of the features of a most expensive earbud without spending a lot. So I strongly recommend you get this pair of earbuds if you wear them around your house, or during your workout, or walk in the trail. Let me know your thought and leave the comment below. If you like this short video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Also hit the bell for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.